Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pool tables that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a compact tabletop game or a full-sized billiards table, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Pinpoint pool table, a regulation-size billiards table designed for true enthusiasts. This premium table features thick MDF legs with a wooden finish, exuding luxury while remaining durable enough for high-impact collisions. The green velvet playing surface enhances gameplay by offering smooth ball movement, while the mesh-netted pockets make ball retrieval effortless. With dimensions of 84 by 47 by 31 inches, this table is ideal for game rooms, pubs, or even your home. The build quality is exceptional, with engineered wood construction that ensures stability and longevity. The table comes with all the accessories you'll need, including pool balls, cues, chalk, a triangle, and a brush. Although the Pinpoint pool table is designed for competitive play, it's also suitable for casual family enjoyment, accommodating players of all ages and abilities. Pros include its professional design and premium materials, but the lack of a listed price makes it harder to gauge its value. Additionally, due to its size and weight, 110 kilograms, assembly and placement can be challenging. If you're looking for a high-quality table that blends style and function, this is a solid choice for dedicated players. Coming in at number 4, we have the Raykee billiard table. This portable pool table offers versatility with its 2 modes of play, tabletop or floor setup. With dimensions of 32 by 15.5 by 25 inches, it's compact but still provides a satisfying gameplay experience. The steel legs are removable, making it easy to store when not in use. Designed with MDF construction and sturdy steel legs, the table is stable and durable, even during intense matches. The green plush cloth on the surface increases ball friction, enhancing precision and control. Smooth corners add safety, while integrated ball bowls replicate the realistic feel of traditional billiards. Complete with accessories like cue sticks, chalk, balls, a triangle, and a brush, it's ready to play out of the box. It's a great gift for kids and families, promoting hand-eye coordination and bonding through fun. On the downside, it's not as large or durable as full-size tables, and its customer rating of 3.9 reflects some minor concerns about build quality. However, for $69.99, it's an excellent choice for casual players looking for a portable and affordable option. At number 3, we have the Queenell 20-inch small pool table. This mini billiards table is perfect for family game nights or casual play. With its compact size of 20.9 by 13.2 by 5 inches, it's designed to fit on any table or desk, making it highly portable and easy to store. The package includes everything you need to play right away: 2 cues, balls, a triangle rack, and chalk. Assembly is straightforward, so you can set it up in minutes and start enjoying your miniature pool experience. Despite its small size, the Queenell pool table is built with durable materials that can withstand everyday use. It's sturdy enough for adults, while being accessible for kids, making it a versatile option for players of all ages. The table's green playing surface mimics the feel of larger tables, giving you a realistic billiards experience in a tiny format. While it's an affordable option at $39.99, it's not ideal for serious players due to its limited game space and smaller ball size. However, if you're looking for an engaging and fun gift or a compact solution for casual play, this mini table is a fantastic choice. In the runner-up position, at number 2, we have the Pool Hacker poolside bar. While technically not a pool table, this swim-up bar is an innovative accessory for above-ground round pools. Designed to attach securely to your pool's edge, it offers stability and convenience for poolside relaxation or entertaining. The table's durable plastic construction is weather-resistant, waterproof, and scratch-proof, making it perfect for outdoor use. With a weight capacity of up to 50 pounds, it can hold drinks, snacks, speakers, or even poolside games. The amber brown finish gives it a stylish, wood-like appearance without the premium price tag. Setup is a breeze with its foldable design and silicone padded clamps, which protect your pool walls from damage. Measuring 38.5 by 11.7 inches, it's compact yet spacious enough for all your essentials. While it's not a traditional pool table, it's a fantastic addition to your poolside setup, especially for hosting parties or relaxing. At $58.99, it's a bit pricey for its category, but if you're looking for a reliable and stylish pool accessory, this swim-up bar delivers. The main drawback is its niche use case, which won't appeal to everyone. And finally, taking the #1 spot, we have the Aqua Joyer poolside storage baskets with cup holders. At just $27.99, this budget-friendly option offers incredible value for above-ground pool owners. Each set includes 2 baskets, 2 cup holders, and multiple hooks, providing a versatile storage solution for towels, goggles, toys, and drinks. The baskets are designed to fit pools with top rails of 3 inches or smaller, making them compatible with most above-ground pools. The sturdy plastic construction can hold up to 50 pounds, ensuring durability and longevity. The hollow design prevents water buildup, while the adjustable support bar keeps the basket level, preventing items from falling. Installation is quick and easy, requiring no tools, and the components can be stacked for compact storage during the off-season. The Aqua Joyer storage baskets are perfect for families who want to maximize poolside convenience without breaking the bank. The only downside is that it's not a traditional pool table, so it's best suited for organizing accessories rather than gameplay. However, for its price and functionality, it's a must-have for any pool owner looking to keep things tidy and accessible. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.